Hey there, it's me, Carrie. I'm so excited to do a step-by-step brow tutorial today with all of you, featuring the Brow Bar by Rima Bombshell Brow Kit. Now this is an all-in-one brow kit. It comes with tweezers, a brow pencil, two-sided spoolie with a brush, highlighter, concealer, and 2 shades of brow powder. It truly is an all-in-one brow kit, and if you're on the go for traveling, you'll have everything you need with you to get the perfect brows. By the end of this video, my brows are gonna look completely different. I hope you guys are excited to learn how to get the most beautiful brows with the Bombshell Brow Kit. I like to start out by using the spoolie that's in the brow kit and brushing out my brow hairs. You'll see me do this a couple times throughout the tutorial. I'm taking the brow pencil that's in the kit and I'm going ahead and adding in light feathery strokes throughout my brow. I'm starting at the front end of the brow and working my way around. And this is going to be what gives me the shape that I want in my brow. Also, the brow pencil is going to be the product that the powder sticks to later on. I'm going through again and brushing out the brow hairs. Next up, I'm using the other end of that brush and going in with the brow powder. I'm starting with the lighter of the 2 shades in the front end of the brow and using really light strokes and building up the color. I go ahead and take the darker color and work that in on the end tail of the brow. Next up is the concealer. If you like a more defined brow, this is where you're going to get that, but you don't have to conceal as harshly. And lastly, we have our highlight from the Bombshell Brow Kit. And I'm going ahead and tapping that under the brow onto the concealer, and it sticks nice and gives us a great shine. And that is the end of the step-by-step tutorial for the Bombshell Brow Kit. And here are the brows complete. I'm so happy with how they look. You can definitely experiment with a lot of different shapes of brows or go a little bit lighter if you don't like the fuller coverage brow, but I love that you can achieve a full coverage brow with this kit. Also, Brow Bar by Rima is paraben-free and cruelty-free, and I know that's important to myself and many of you out there. I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of my makeup on, and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, this is the completed makeup look. I love how it turned out. I used a lot of the Brow Bar by Rima products, and when I say a lot, I didn't actually have to use a lot of different products because a lot of them are kits, which is really nice. So you guys saw me use the Brow Bar by Rima Bombshell Brow Kit. And for my face and my eye makeup, I used the Brow Bar by Rima Hollywood Icon Face Kit in BH Nude. And then on my lip, I used the Rodeo Rouge Collection 90210. If you like this whole makeup look, you are in luck because I am going to be doing a tutorial on how to complete the rest of this makeup, the eye makeup, the face, all of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got a lot of tips, and I hope you come back and stick with us for more. Make sure you're following myself, Carrie, Makeup Madhouse on social media, and also Brow Bar by Rima to keep up with all of their incredible products and tutorials and videos that they put out. See you next time!